You're gonna go pick up your toys. Go pick them up. Go pick them up. Pick them all up. No, I said pick them up, Sam. Sam, you go pick them up. Go pick them up. Which one you looking for? You didn't find it? Go pick those up first. Now, we gotta pick all those toys up, then you can get you some more. What's in there, buddy? What you got, Sam? You find favorite? You found it? Go let's fight. Go find it.
Debate over the future of one New Orleans housing development, how oil booms.
He knows which one he wants to.